Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a good Sunday. Today is Sunday, and we actually got all my Supreme stuff on week 11 that we did on Thursday. It all arrived yesterday, so we're going to do a little unboxing. I already did an unboxing on my TikTok page, so if you want to see that, go click in the link in the descriptions to find my TikTok. But yeah, we're going to do a little quick unboxing. Gotta do it for the YouTubes as well, because I can't forget you guys. But yeah, let's go check it out. If you guys do enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this content. And also, I'm still trying to figure out what else I can do for this channel, but like, we gotta do something else other than Supreme, because you know, Supreme isn't always about this channel. I've got to think about other stuff. There are a bunch of other things that I do as well apart from this, so perhaps maybe we could talk about that as well, who knows. But yeah, let's go get on this video. Let's go get the stuff, because it's like in a different room. So yeah, let's go get it. Start with the first item. We did get a jersey from last week. This is the, I don't know if you can see, this is the, what's it called, the mesh slit soccer jersey. Now I did get this in the green extra large. I was thinking about going for the pink, but then I kind of switched my mind. I don't know why. I just thought the green looked a bit better, you know, green Brazil. It looks all right. I kind of wish there was something at the back. There actually was something on the back. It's just a little bit small, and you can see it's just on the back of the collar. It just says Supreme, which is, it's a nice touch, but you know, could have been a bit better. It's not too bad. This will be for sale, or it might just get returned. Who knows? But yeah, we have got the Supreme Arc Thermal. Now, the only reason why I went for this is because somebody did want me to go for it, because I don't know if they can't go for Supreme on Thursdays, but yeah. I got this, is that a lot? Oh, it's a 6 large. I don't know why, I just kind of saw the word L for a second. It was an extra large that they wanted, so. And I did get 2 of them, so I've got a choice to choose which one looks the best. But yeah, I bought 2, not because the guy requested 2, it's just because you never know, some tasks might fail, so it's kind of better going for more than one, just in case one of them fails, etc. I did get 2 of these, so if there's anyone that is interested in the other one, in an extra large navy yellow, let me know. Looks pretty cool. I won't actually open it because, you know, this is for somebody, so yeah, that'll be getting shipped off tomorrow morning. That is it for that one. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get the pants. The pants were the most hyped item of the week. I was thinking more the work jacket might be, but I think in terms of, like, you know, the price, the pants were like way better in terms of price versus obviously everything else. And I did actually go for the pants. Unfortunately, I was not able to hit in the size that I wanted to go for, so yeah. If I did do random sizing, I probably could have got a couple, but you know, that's how life goes. But yeah, we did get the work jackets, so let's go take a look. Now, I did actually wear this on my TikTok, and I will do a little example on this video. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You got the little buttons, the fuck you, the, what does it say? Rest in peace, and what else does it say? Thanks for your memory. It's essentially meant to look like distressed, but it's not distressed, it's just like a print over. I honestly think I prefer this instead of it actually being distressed. If it was distressed, it probably would have cost way more. As you can see there, that's like a little bit of distress, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really nice. I did actually get 2 of these, so I did get a size large, and if I can pick it up, we did get a size small. I'm just making sure the microphone's still on. But yeah, we did also get a size small as well, so if anyone is interested in any of these wear jackets, let me know. Like I said, this is a size small. I don't know if you can see it, size small. It looks really nice. Honestly, it's a really good jacket. If you've seen the whatchamacallits, the Ducati jackets, those are going for quite a bit expensive, quite a lot of money actually. Like some sales of like 600, and I think they're pretty much the same price as those. Might be actually slightly cheaper as well. I don't really know, but the denim one in the Ducati one is doing some numbers. I won't be surprised if this one is. The AOI jacket from last season is doing numbers as well. I feel like it's definitely a good time to sell them off, just because, you know, it's the right weather for it. Well, here personally, I don't know about any of you guys. You might be living in hot areas, so yeah, these jackets might not be suitable for where you are living. If you're like in LA for example. We're gonna go try on the wet jacket for you guys, so yeah, stick around and I'll show you what it actually looks like. Hopefully you guys can see me a little bit better. I should be on the camera in this angle. If I'm not, well then that's going to be annoying. I'm going to try on the jacket for you. I have already tried this on, but we're going to try it on again because why not? It's my size. We've got the back of the Supreme. As you can see, it says the word Supreme in that nice little script font. It does look very nice. The ribbon edge is like a navy colorway, as well as the lined material on the inside. You also have this tag, the friggin' insulation. You got the tag as well there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Kind of want to try it on because, you know, I'm all hairy and shit. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. I can't really tell because I can't see it, so I hope it looks as good as it looks. I have to bend down a bit. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the back. Normally most people be wearing jackets under this. I mean hoodies, should I say, so it does feel a little bit tight. So, but that's just because I'm big, you know? So yeah, this is what it's like, zipped up. It's kind of got that little croppy feeling, you know what I mean? A lot of stuff is cropped lately, but I think that's pretty good actually. So I'll pull my panties. I'm not really dressed for the occasion, but you know, if you are obviously buying this, you'll be dressing up with the full pants, you know. It is pretty nice. I do like it. I think in comparisons to the AOI jacket, do I like this compared to the AOI? I really don't know. Kind of like the AOI jacket. I just think that's just a little bit more nicer in my opinion. It's just my personal opinion. But this is obviously not to put down or anything. This is still a really, really good jacket. So yeah. Put the hood up like that. Got the Supreme looking like that. Get back to the video. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, and do all that cool stuff if you want to see more Supreme content like that. Like I did mention before in the videos, we do buy and sell. So if there is anything that you are interested in getting, you know, I could hook you up guys if you are a subscriber of mine. If you are interested in any of these products, really, really nice. Same for this one. I still have an extra large left in this. Like I said, I want to try and help you guys out if you are trying to get stuff as well for Supreme. So if you are in the UK and you want to try and get something on Supreme, but you know you can't get it on the week because you might be busy, you might be working, you might not have your phone on you, just hit me up. I do videos like ahead of time. So yeah, stay subscribed if you know what's dropping. Next week we got Mitchell and S, so we got those really cool stadium jackets. Tune for another video. I'll catch you guys in a few days' time where we'll discuss week 12 of Supreme. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, so subscribe. Do all cool shit. Bye.